Django project, is Django for backend or frontend? A Django project is the overarching container for one or more Django apps that work together to form a complete web application. Django, a high-level Python web framework, provides a clean structure for building scalable and maintainable projects. Below is a detailed overview of what a Django project entails, how to set it up, and its main components. #1. Key features of a Django project. Modular design * consists of multiple smaller Django apps that handle specific functionality. Built-in tools * provides URL routing, database interaction via an ORM, form handling, authentication, and admin interface. Rapid development * simplifies tasks like creating and managing database migrations, deploying projects, and handling security concerns. Scalable * suitable for small to large-scale projects. #2. Components of a Django project. A typical Django project includes ####. Project structure. When you create a new Django project, the directory structure looks like this: my_project/manage.py, my_project/___init__.py, settings.py, urls.py, asgi.py, wsgi.py, #####, key files * manage.py *. A command line utility to interact with the Django project, example running the development server, managing migrations, creating apps. Settings.py * contains configurations for the project, such as database settings, installed apps, middleware, and templates. urls.py * defines URL patterns for routing requests to the appropriate views. asgi.py and usgi.py * entry points for serving the project via ASGI or WSGI servers. ####B. Django apps. Modularity * a Django project is made up of multiple apps, each serving a specific function. For example, you might have separate apps for user management, blog posts, and comments. Reusability * apps can be reused across different projects. ####C. Models, views, and templates. Models * define the structure of the database. Each model corresponds to a table. Views * handle logic and interact with models. They return responses, typically rendered templates or JSON. Templates * define the HTML structure for the user interface, incorporating data from views. ###3. Setting up a Django project. Step 1. Install Django first. Install Django in your environment. Pip install Django. Step 2. Create a project. Run the following command to create a new Django project. Django admin start project my_project ###. Step 3. Run the development server. Navigate into the project directory and start the server. cd my_project python manage.py. Runs over the server will run locally, typically at http://127.0.0.1:8000/. Step 4. Create an app. To create a Django app, run python manage.py. Start tap my_app. Add the new app to installed _apps in settings.py. ###4. Main features of Django projects. ###A. Database integration. Django supports multiple database backends like PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and Oracle. Configure the database in settings.py. Python databases = default, engine, Django.db.backends.postgresql. Name, your_db_name, user, your_username, password, your_password, host, localhost, port, 5432, ####B. URL routing. Define URLs in urls.py. File, Python from Django.urls. Import path from my_app. Import views URL patterns = path, views.index. Name = index, ####C. Middleware. Middleware is a framework of hooks for processing requests and responses. Common middleware includes security, session management, and authentication. ###D. Admin interface. Django provides a built-in admin interface for managing models. Register models in administration.py. From Django.contribution import admin from .models import myModel administration site.register, myModel. Access the admin panel at /admin/ after creating a super user, python manage.py. Create super user ###E. Templates. Use the template system to render dynamic content in views, -template/index.html. -html body h1 welcome, user.name. /h1/body/html ###F. Forms. Django simplifies form creation, validation, and handling, Python from Django import forms class myForm, forms.form name equals forms.charfield, max underscore length equals 100. Email equals forms.email field. Dash hashtag 5. Deployment of a Django project hashtag a. Static files and media, static files asterisk configure static files for CSS, JS, and images. Python static underscore URL equals /static files underscore dirs equals base underscore dir /static, media files asterisk configure for user uploaded files. Python media underscore URL equals /media underscore root equals base underscore dir /media b. Deployment steps 1. Use Unicorn or UWSGI as the application server. 2. Use Minx as a reverse proxy. 3. Configure database hosting, example PostgreSQL on AWS, GCP. 4. Use HTTPS for secure communication, example via Let's Encrypt. 5. Optimize settings for production, disable debug, configure allowed underscore hosts, and use environment variables for secrets. Dash hashtag 6. Best practices for Django projects, environment management asterisk use tools like pipe and Orvent to isolate dependencies. Version control asterisk use Git for code versioning and collaboration. Testing asterisk write unit and integration tests using Django's testing framework. Code quality asterisk follow PEP 8 standards and use tools like Black or Flake8. Monitoring asterisk use logging and monitoring tools like Sentry for error tracking. Dash a Django project offers a robust and scalable structure for web development, making it suitable for projects of varying complexity, from personal blogs to enterprise-level applications. Its built-in features and extensive ecosystem make it a preferred choice for developers worldwide.